Everybody has a smartphone. It's perfect. Nowadays, every phone can shoot in 4K, but you don't need that. You need 4K only if you want to edit a lot and do special effects, crop and zoom. So here are 5 tips to become a better vlogger. 1. Light. The best light is the sunlight. Make a video in front of a mirror or outside, but if you do outside, stay in the shadow because you want soft light. If you need some additional light, turn on a desktop lamp and make it face to you. 2. Camera angle. This level is the best, the eye level. Don't do a low level like this because it's just weird. Don't do a low level like this because this is the best. A little lower. Yes. Okay. Tip number 3, write a script. If you really know what you want to say, you can write down some lines, but the better way is when you write down all of the script, everything. You will shorten the editing with a lot if you say for the first time what you want to say correctly. Don't forget, if you find these tips useful, click the subscribe button below. Let's get back. Tip number 4, buy a small tripod. The level of the video quality, if you use a tripod and not just your hands like this, is tremendous. If you don't have one and you need one fast, use 2 glasses, one in front, one in back. If you need to lift it up, put some books underneath. Don't forget, take the shot from eye level. Question of the day. What is stopping you to press record? Tell me in the comments what is your biggest problem. Tip number 5. We talked about resolution, lights, and video. Now we need to talk about the sound. Smartphone mic is not the best. You can do it with your internal mic, but you need to be really close like this to be here. I recommend not to invest hundreds of dollars, but a really good budget mic is the Boya M1 Lavalier. It has 4 meters of cable, so you can sit a decent distance from your phone and still look good in the shot. Price is around $50, so it's really not a big investment, but it could make a difference. If you want to see the audio test, check out the link in the description. Yo. Bonus tip. Take a look in the mirror before you get a shot. Maybe have something in your hair, something in your beard. You don't need fancy stuff, but just look good. Thank you for your watching. I hope you get some great value. See you next time.